Managing wealth is simply not a matter of crunching numbers. It is an art that involves maximizing the value of your capital and aligning it with your goals. To effectively manage wealth, one must have a clear understanding of its purpose and comprehensive view of all the assets that contribute to it. While mathematics play a crucial role in wealth management, there is also an element of artistry in ensuring that your wealth works in harmony with your aspirations. So in this video, I'll take you to the books that hide the secrets to becoming wealthy. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Wealth management encompasses a wide range of financial aspects, from paying yourself first and managing debt to investing, creating a nest egg, and planning for retirement. It is essential to develop a healthy relationship with money and overcome common financial mistakes. By taking charge of your financial well-being, you gain confidence and become smarter in handling your finances. So here are the books I recommend to get started on your journey towards wealth. Number 1. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. For over 2 decades, Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad Poor Dad has captivated readers with its eye-opening perspective on wealth and success. Drawing from his own experiences and contrasting financial philosophies of his father and his friend's father, Kiyosaki challenges conventional beliefs about income, assets, and liabilities. He emphasizes the importance of having your money work for you rather than solely relying on earned income. Kiyosaki also addresses the limitations of traditional education in teaching financial literacy and provides practical advice for parents to equip their children with essential financial knowledge. Number 2. Why Didn't They Teach Me This in School? By Carrie Siegel. Carrie Siegel's book addresses a common lament: the lack of financial education in traditional schooling. Divided into 99 principles and 8 money lessons, this book offers valuable insights that should have been taught in high school or college. Originally written for the author's children, it has become a successful guide for anyone seeking practical advice and first-hand experience in wealth management. Siegel aims to bridge the gap between formal education and real-world financial challenges, empowering readers to make informed financial decisions. Number 3. Capital Without Borders: Wealth Managers and the 1% by Brooke Harrington. Brooke Harrington's book delves into the tactics and strategies employed by high-profile wealth managers in protecting the wealth of the ultra-rich. By unraveling the hidden world of wealth, Harrington sheds light on how these professionals navigate legal complexities, such as taxation laws. She explores the use of offshore accounts and shelf corporations to safeguard fortunes acquired through unconventional means. Through extensive research, Harrington provides an in-depth understanding of how wealth managers ensure their clients' legal compliance while preserving their wealth. Number 4. Richest Man in Babylon by George Clason. Richest Man in Babylon takes a unique approach to wealth management by presenting financial lessons through a collection of fictional stories set in ancient Babylon. Clason imparts timeless wisdom on saving, investing, and growing wealth. Despite being written in the 1920s, the book's simple language and relatable struggles of characters resonate with modern investors. By illustrating the power of financial choices and highlighting common pitfalls, Clason inspires readers to become more aware of their own financial journeys. Number 5. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey is a comprehensive guide to money management, providing strategies for achieving financial independence and living a debt-free life. The book offers practical advice on establishing emergency funds, tackling various forms of liabilities, and regaining control over one's financial life. Ramsey also addresses common myths and misconceptions that hinder individuals from reaching their financial potential. With a straightforward approach, the book covers topics such as starting an emergency fund, saving for college, and utilizing the snowball method to paying off debt. By following the principles outlined in this New York Times bestseller, readers can escape the cycle of debt and improve their overall financial well-being. Okay, we're about halfway through this video, so I'd like you to help me out in some way. Immediately pause this video and please do me a huge favor by clicking like, and if you are new, kindly click subscribe. If you did, you're great, and we really appreciate your help. Rest assured we'll bring you more videos that will help you thrive wisely. And going back, number 6, Private Wealth Management by G. Victor Hallman and Jerry Rosenblum. G. Victor Hallman and Jerry Rosenblum's Private Wealth Management is a comprehensive guide that addresses the theoretical and practical foundations of financial planning. This book caters to professionals within the wealth management industry and covers essential topics such as setting financial objectives, developing investment strategies, and staying informed about legislation, economic developments, and wealth management trends. The latest edition equips financial practitioners with the knowledge and tools necessary to navigate today's complex markets, including equity and fixed income investments, retirement income planning, and wealth transfer techniques. With a focus on real-world applications, this book serves as a valuable resource for planning a prosperous financial future. Number 7, Wealth Management Unwrapped by Charlotte B. Bayer. Written with the intention of helping readers make informed financial decisions, Wealth Management Unwrapped empowers individuals to take responsibility for their finances. The book offers a wealth of information to assist readers in selecting the right financial advisors and understanding their own investor profile. By asking the right questions and gaining a deeper understanding of their financial needs, readers can make more informed choices regarding financial services and investment strategies. This book serves as a guide for investors who wish to take charge of their financial journey and develop a clear path towards wealth management. Number 8, The Millionaire Next Door: The Surprising Secrets of America's Wealthy by Stanley Thomas. Stanley Thomas's book challenges common misconceptions about wealth by showcasing the stories of ordinary individuals who achieve millionaire status through hard work and perseverance. He debunks the notion that inheritance, education, or intelligence are the primary determinants of success. Instead, Thomas emphasizes the importance of saving habits, consistent effort, and living below one's means as key factors in attaining wealth. The book serves as a guide to wealth management and achieving financial freedom, providing valuable insights from social scientists who have extensively studied the habits of affluent individuals. By unpacking the frugal mindset of a millionaire next door, readers can learn practical lessons on budgeting wisely and adopting a modest lifestyle. Number 9, The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. In The Automatic Millionaire, David Bach shares a story of an average American couple who, despite earning a modest income, managed to become debt-free homeowners, put their children through college, and retire with over $1 million in savings by the age of 55. Bach challenges the traditional notion of budgeting and instead focuses on the power of automatic systems. By implementing automatic financial practices such as paying oneself first and setting up automated investments, individuals can ensure their financial future without relying on willpower or large sums of money. The book emphasizes the compounding effect of savings and investments over time and provides practical guidance on automating various aspects of personal finance. Number 10, I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. In I Will Teach You to Be Rich, Ramit Sethi offers valuable insights specifically tailored to young individuals in their 20s and 30s who may be struggling with their financial situation. However, the principles presented in the book can benefit anyone seeking to gain a better understanding of their own financial situation. Sethi emphasizes that becoming rich does not require complex financial expertise, but rather a grasp of the fundamental principles such as budgeting, conscious spending, sensible banking, and buy and hold investment strategies. The book provides a 6-week program that guides readers in managing their finances more effectively, leading to a more fulfilling life. Topics covered include credit management, optimizing bank accounts, preparing for investments, adopting conscious spending habits, automating money transfers, and making informed investment decisions. In addition to the aforementioned books, there are numerous other resources available on wealth management. Behavior Finance and Wealth Management by Michael Pompian, Get Good with Money with Tiffany Aliche, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, and The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins are just a few examples of these. Reading books on wealth management can equip individuals with the knowledge and skills necessary to become proficient in managing their wealth. These resources not only provide insights into wealth creation, but also offer guidance on resource management and efficient financial decision making. By starting early and implementing sound financial practices, individuals can lay the foundation for a secure financial future. Exploring various strategies, including reading books on wealth management, can contribute to financial literacy and empower individuals to make informed decisions. The books highlighted in this video offer valuable knowledge and guidance, providing readers with the tools they need to become experts in managing their wealth. Well, that's basically the books that hide the secrets to becoming wealthy. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.